Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we're gonna do the start of what I would consider some cute Valentine's Day nails. Now, I do them in green. Obviously, you can do them in whatever color you want, but it's a monochromatic look, so it's very subtle, but still very pretty. So you could do this with pinks or really whatever color you want, but I do think it'd be cute for Valentine's Day. So I'm going in with the turquoise stamping polish from Maniology after Cash Out has dried and after I put a layer of Sally Hansen Quick Dry Top Coat on it, or Dries Instantly Top Coat. And what I'm going through and doing here is just lightly, very lightly pressing on the plate and picking up the stamping image and then pressing it straight down on the nail. Now, because of the angle of the stamping plate, I'm putting that corner of the image into the corner of my cuticle line. And that way it just kind of fans out across the nail. And you don't want this to cover the whole nail. Of course you can if that's what you want. But I'd like it to have kind of that just little lip on it so you can see that it's lace. And I am showing over and over how I'm stamping these actual nails. This is more of a beginner tutorial for somebody who's just learning how to stamp and maybe a little frustrated and just needs to see the technique over and over. I do think this is a really cute stamping plate. They came in a set. I have two sets from Queen. If you look them up on Amazon, one is in a yellow package, like a yellow cover. It's these little leather covers that have everything in them. There's a yellow one and a white one. I own both of them. I think this is out of the white one. I took them all out of the package and put them into a binder so I could keep them organized better. And if that's something you want to see, how I have everything organized, let me know and I'll make kind of a quick video on that. It's really a pretty simple process that I use to keep everything separated out. Now, this is, if you're new to nail art, to me, in my opinion, totally my opinion, this is what kind of starts making or breaking the difference between a new person to nail art and somebody who's more experienced. Get a cleanup brush. They don't cost that much. They're just a couple dollars, and you can just kind of clean up anything that you get around the edges, and it gives a much more professional look to any manicure that you're going to do. We do have a poor girl in our Maniology group who has OCD, and she has a hard time with it. She actually cannot clean her cuticles. It gives her an anxiety attack. It makes me feel horrible for her because I would freak out the other way. So I can only imagine how tough that is for her, getting judged on it and that kind of stuff all the time. Ooh, I almost made a big old mess with that top coat. See, we're not perfect. Things happen. Hey, my dog's thirsty in the background. I swear it doesn't matter what time of day. Meg, come on now. Anyway, these dogs and these animals are always acting crazy while I'm trying to film. So, thank you so much for watching this. If you want to see another basic beginner stamping tutorial, I'm going to put a playlist in the upper right corner for you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye-bye. Are you being a stinker while Mom's trying to film? Are you being a stinker? Yeah, you're a stinker, aren't you?